I'm here to present the new product from Benelli called LIVET M4. LIVET stands for Light Vehicular Turret M4 A.I Drone Guardian. Benelli already produces and sell and supply the M4 A.I Drone Guardian to all the main NATO armed forces around the world, European and non-European, even to aligned countries. And here we have further implemented the system, and we are mounting 8 M4 A.I Drone Guardian with 26 inches barrel, 9+1 rounds, so total 80 rounds available on a turret that is very light, is 180 kilos. You can install anywhere on a vehicle, land, a naval vehicle, UGV, USV. You can defend the sensitive target, you can defend airfields and whatsoever. So it's a very flexible system. It's the last line of defense against incoming threats, UAS, UAV. So small, especially small FPV drones, NATO class 1A and 1B, micro and mini with loitering munitions. You can engage them. We have AI acquisition system. You can lock till 5 targets at the same time, and then the operator can engage one by one and shut them down. We went on field testing a few weeks ago. The system works perfectly. We have all kind of sensors and all kind of systems like day camera, night vision system, thermal systems, laser range finder. We have fire control system, anything. And you can easily connect to any kind of electronic warfare system or to radar. So it's a complete system we are supplying to the customers, and it's very interesting because we have received a lot of raise of interest from many countries all around the world indeed.